Ready to ditch those generic Slack messages and create a truly personalized experience for your users. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to dynamically insert a recipient's first name into your Slack messages using Zapier, making your communication more engaging and effective. First, make sure your Zapier trigger is set up and collecting the necessary information. Most importantly, the first name of the person you'll be messaging. In my example, I am using Google Sheets for the trigger. Now, let's configure the Slack action. Select Send Channel Message as the action you would like to take when the trigger happens. In the message text field, craft your message, but here's the magic where you want the first name to appear. Type an open curly brace. Then find the field that contains the first name from your trigger data. For example, you might find this under Google Sheets. Select this option from the drop-down. Zapier will automatically insert the appropriate placeholder. Close the curly brace. So, your message might look something like this. Hey, first name. Welcome to the team. Notice how the first name field, pulled from Google Sheets, is nestled between the curly braces. Almost there. Use the test action button to send a test message to your Slack channel. This will show you exactly how your personalized message will appear. Check your Slack channel to confirm that the first name is correctly inserted. If it looks good, turn on your Zap, and you're all set. Enjoy the benefits of personalized communication.